Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let us see some word problems based on age. This is from class 10, pair of linear equations in two variables. A father is 3 times as old as his son. So here we have two persons, father and son. Okay, we are having two persons over here, father and son. Okay, now this is age related sums. Okay, now present age we will take. Present age, let us take son's as age as x, father's age as y. After 12 years, they are talking about after 12 years. So let us write after 12 years. Okay, after 12 years. अभी present age son का x है, तो after 12 years his age will be x plus 12. Father is y years old now, so after 12 years he will become y plus 12. Now let us go into the question. A father is 3 times as old as his son. So they are talking about the present age because they did not mention before or after. They said a father is 3 times as old as his son. So father is, what is the age of father? What we have taken? Y. Okay. Y is 3 times as old as his son. 3 times. Times बोलने से बच्चा into. 3 times. What is son says? X. This is equation number 1. That's it. Now let us move on to the next part. After 12 years, that means यहाँ का रो देखिए, ठीक है, यहाँ का रो देखिए. His age will be twice as old as his son. His age means father's age. Y plus 12 है ना. After 12 years father's age क्या है? Y plus 12 ना. Is twice means 2 times as that of son. Son का एज क्या है? x plus 12. अब binomial है, put bracket x plus 12. Okay, now let us simplify this. Y plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 2 12s are 24. So let us write this in standard form. Okay, 2x as it is plus y, I am transposing, it will become minus y plus 24 plus 12 transposed will become minus 12. अब left hand side में कुछ भी नहीं है, 0. That left hand side 0 I can write here, right? So 2x minus y plus 24 minus 12 will become plus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. We will use substitution method in this because we have already written one variable in terms of other over here. Y is equal to 3x. So let us substitute equation 1 in 2. Children, if you have not seen the substitution method, please go to my channel, the playlist of pair of linear equation in two variables. There you can find this video. Wherever y is there, we are supposed to substitute 3x. So 2x minus y के place में 3x डालिए plus 12 equals 0. 2x minus 3x कितना हो जाएगा? Minus x is equal to plus 12 transposed will become minus 12. So x is equal to 12. This is age, years. Who is x? But x is son's age. Okay, we got son's age. Now father is 3 times son. Okay, so y is equal to, from here, y is equal to 3 times 12 is 36. So father's age is 36 years. Let us see the next question. 10 years later, A will be twice as old as B, and 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. What are the present ages of A and B? बच्चा पहले क्वेश्चन पूरा पढ़ लेना चाहिए. You can see the keywords 10 years later and you can see 5 years ago and we have to find the present age. Present age A का x ले लीजिए, B का y ले लीजिए. Next what is he saying? 10 years later. 10 years later means after 10 years है ना. और you can write the same way. 10 years later भी लिख सकते हैं. It's up to you. After 10 years. What will be A's age? Whatever age is there, add 10 to it. After 10 years, B, the age of B will be, present age is Y, Y को 10 add कीजिए, ठीक है. Now this is about after 10 years. 5 years ago, that means past, right? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Now what is 5 years ago? A's age x minus 5. Suppose you are 10 years beta. 5 years pehle what was your age? 10 minus 5. 5, right? So whatever age is there you subtract. Same with this also, right? So minus 5. Ye table clear hai? Now we will jump into the question and start forming the equations. 10 years later, that means 10 years later means after 10 years. ये रो देखिए, ठीक है? Focus on this row. A will be, that means x plus 10 is equal to twice as old as B. Twice as old as B. As old as twice binomial, put a bracket. Okay. Now let us write this in standard form. X plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 2 times 10 is 20. Right, let us write it in standard form. X plus 2y will become minus 2y. Now plus 10 as it is, minus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 2y plus 10 minus 20 is minus 10 equals 0. This is our equation number 1. Okay. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. Now focus on this part. Okay. 5 years ago, A was means x minus 5 is equal to 3 times. 3 times बोलने से bracket as old as B. B's age is y minus 5. ठीक है बच्चा? Now let us write this in standard form. Open the bracket first. 3y minus 15. Plus 3y will become minus 3y. Minus 15 will become plus 15 equals 0. So x minus 3y plus 15 minus 5 is plus 10 equals to 0. This is our second equation. Okay, now we got pair of linear equations. You can go with substitution method or elimination method. It's up to you. So x minus 2y minus 10 equals 0. The other equation is x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. Go with elimination method. Both these coefficients are same. So let us go with subtraction. When we subtract, we have to change the signs. Plus x will become minus x. Children, if you want a detailed explanation of the elimination method, go to my channel playlist. You can find the elimination method explanation. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. Minus 2y plus 3y is 1y. Okay, minus 10 will become minus 20 equals 0. So y will become positive. That means we got the age of B. Now let us find A's age. Here this y value you can substitute in any of the equations to get the x value. So x minus 2 times, we got y as 20, right? Minus 10 equals 0. X minus 40 minus 10 equals to 0. Minus 50 transposed will become 50. So age of A is 50 years and age of B is 20 years. Hope this sum is clear to you. 6 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. 3 years ago, he was 9 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Will be 3 times as old as his son. तो father and son लिख सकते हैं ना. So present age let us write. Present age. Let us take father's age as x. Son's age क्या हो जाएगा? Y. Okay. Now after 6 years, ठीक है? After 6 years, man's age, अब father x है तो 6 years के बाद x plus 6, son's age will become y plus 6. 3 years ago, he was x minus 3. Son was y minus 3. Right? Patient. 6 years hence, यानी कि after 6 years, ये रो देखिए. A man age will be, that means x plus 6 will be यानी कि is equal to 3 times यानी कि bracket into the age of his son. Son's age क्या है यहाँ पे? Son's age क्या है? Son's age क्या है? y plus 6. हो गया first equation. Write it in standard form. X plus 6 is equal to 3y plus 3 6 are 18. ठीक है? So bring this x minus 3y plus 6 minus 18 equals 0. I'm writing this in standard form. X minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Now let us continue the question. 3 years ago, यानी कि ये रो देखिए. He was 9 times as old as his son. He was यानी कि ex father was 9 times, 9 brackets his son's age, y minus 3. ठीक है. Now let us write this in standard form. X minus 3 is equal to 9y minus 27. X minus 9y minus 3 as it is. Minus 27 transpose will become 27 equals to 0. So x minus 9y 24 equals 0. Equation number 2. Now we got two equations. Children, let us go with the elimination method. We have positive x, so change the signs. We are subtracting. Minus 9y will become plus 9y, plus 24 will become minus 24. Plus x minus x will get eliminated. Minus 3y plus 9y is 6y minus 36 equals 0. 6y is equal to positive 36 or y is equal to 36 by 6, which is 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 years. Who is y? Son's age is 6 years. Now let us substitute this in any of the equations to get father's age. X minus 3 times y. What is y? 6. Minus 12 equals to 0. X minus 18 minus 12 equals to 0. X minus 30 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 30 years. Therefore, son's age is 6 years and father's age is 30 years. Hope you understood this word problems related to age. For more such interesting questions, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment.